I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I decorate my room for Christmas in a very cozy way, and I also did a little DIY Christmas star, so I'm gonna show you how to make that, and let's just get right into the video. For this DIY you will need some branches. I just got these from the woods near my house. And with these I just laid out my pentagram or my Christmas star, whatever you want to call it. Some people will say it's a Christmas star, some people will say it's a pentagram. To me it's a pentagram. And when I got my design laid out, I just took some yarn and we're gonna tie a knot on every single side. I did this as tight as possible so it won't lose its shape when I hang it on the wall or put it somewhere else. Some of these were too long, so I just cut off the excess. And to make it extra secure, I just tied a knot on every single stick crossing each other so it won't lose its shape. Next up, I'm just adding some fairy lights because my mom told me she had some fairy lights left. And this is actually not my room, this is our kitchen area. So I kind of just left the star here because my mom really liked it and it makes the room look way cozier and just really cute.